Fundamental analysis of stocks. Does it work and how to do it? To be honest, I am not a huge fan of full fundamental analysis. Obviously, fundamental analysis of stocks works for some people. But, if you are like most people, you can get by fine with minimal fundamental analysis. Here's how to do fundamental analysis of stocks. Basically, I just go through the following basics. Market capitalization. Is it undervalued or overvalued? Will the company still exist in the future? Stability of the company. Is the CEO smart and working towards a good cause that he or she truly cares about? Have people overreacted to an event or news regarding the stock? Does the company have a nice cash reserve? Will the business keep growing? Will the business be well placed in the future compared to competitors? Based on the above, create a fundamental thesis. There may be some more factors, but you get the point. Thanks for watching.